I'm fucking killing you first, Jay. I don't care if we lose this. I'm killing your ass, dude.
He's gonna snap my neck, bro. He's gonna snap my. I knew it. I knew it.
I'd like to formally apologize. I had one mission.
I hope it was worth it, Peter. I'm ripping his throat out. We have all been aware that. Wait, what? Volume, please. Louder. Can you turn your mic up? Is this better? Are we talking like this? Okay, much better. Okay. It might be a little too loud though later. Talking like this. Hi guys.
Hey Jay.
I've been waiting in queue for an hour and a half.
Sorry, Jay.
No, you're good.
All right.
Alrighty. Guys, I'm gonna destroy them. I am ripping Peter's throat
protect
today.
you.
I'm ripping his throat out. You know what time it is, baby.
Oh no, Abe.
No, I want to know everyone's locations first.
I just got back from the bathroom.
We just saw Abe.
I'm on.
I'm on cams.
Where's Toast at?
Oh, I'm
Oh yeah, Toast is the last person I saw with Abe.
I'm outside the gas station room.
Yeah, I just came in.
What's the gas station?
Yeah, I found the body.
Toast? No, it's
Toast?
Wait,
John.
what?
Oh, it's John.
John?
Yeah, that's
I
how
just came in and reported the body.
self-reported. Oh.
No, I'm laughing because it's Toast. What? Because this just happened earlier.
Wait, is it John or Toast? Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Let me talk then. John popped off, vent, snapped his neck, instant reported.
I'm
sorry. I
Wait,
feel like-
what? Wait,
I
what?
feel like I don't have to spell these out for you
Toast
guys,
came
but
out of
clearly
sword.
I did.
I walked in and I see the dead body.
Jesus.
I don't know what else to say.
I think we just get them
It's
both.
not? Okay,
Really
no. Fine, it's fine.
Wait, guys.
I
All...
just-
Wait, really?
Yes, we get them both.
It was, like, so
I didn't think I have to spell it out for you guys. He left out that John vent. Like what? Why didn't you say it earlier?
Because more people voted before I even finished my story.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you guys? What if it's John, guys? What if it's John?
It is
No,
John.
we're gonna get
Please
both
vote me
of
out.
them.
Yeah,
Vote
said it was
whatever.
John. Oh no.
All right.
I mean, we
no,
could just kill
People
both of them to be
complain
safe,
about
right?
insta voting without hearing story, and now you guys are doing it.
Guys,
Now you know how I felt last
To be
round.
fair,
Round.
no, we
Voted
heard the story.
we make them believe that they got one, okay? This is the play. That they got one. And they just don't kill them.
No, John.
Nice.
Poor idea to call your own.
Yeah,
death.
yeah, what?
Oh no,
No, I'm
it's a
saying by
nice
principle, you
idea.
can vote me off if you
It's
guys don't feel safe here.
considerate.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question.
I'm
real
probably
quick.
going to.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I have something. I don't think it was Toast.
You're
guys.
lucky, Leslie. I was on to you.
Sykkuno, we get it. You're simping for
I'm
Toast,
not. No.
but, you know,
Toast.
either
Toast,
way, you get both. It doesn't really
He's
matter.
actually bad at lying. I think he was telling the truth. I feel like.
I kind of felt that too, maybe. So I'm
Like-
down to vote John here.
No,
Toast is too
this game
honest,
has
guys.
twice. Don't let that trick you, because like 2 of these games, he's like easily
skipping.
weaseled his way out of kills.
I still think
he's
Toast
good at setting up
is-
another situation where you can believe it wasn't him, but he's not good at just lying. So I feel
Be
like
safe
he
is
might
the
not have
right
been.
call, even if we're like pretty sure it's Toast.
Just to be safe.
It was Toast.
Insurance
It's okay, though.
policy.
Oh,
I
if it was
believe you,
Toast,
John, to
I'm
be
sorry,
fair.
but I just
Clearly
feel like it
Toast.
might not have been him.
It was
I-
clear.
Sykkuno next
Well,
out of,
we
out
have
of principle.
one for sure.
Can we kill Sykkuno next?
You know, guys, it
The
just
disciple
sounded
of
like
the
it wasn't
master.
him actually though. Like,
He's dead, Sykkuno.
Alright, so the play is... Well, the play is we keep like going on live, right? And then we just kill anyone coming out of here. Like that, like so. Then this way, thought this way. Over here.
Yep.
Saw the
Wait.
death.
Ray.
Yep. Checked vitals. Dead.
was it like right now or?
A little before. And I moved over and I looked down.
Well, yeah, like before you hit the button, right?
Yeah.
Like you saw it happen.
Oh, just so you know, you don't really have to call a button when you see someone's dead, because we'd rather find the body so we can try to figure out where she died.
Sometimes it can pay off though if you get it like if you see them
it's
die
right
and then
away.
immediately call it. People can just go by location
Oh,
sometimes.
well,
Wesley,
let's
are
try
you
to do
imposter?
that. Sykkuno,
No.
Jae, are you guys together?
No, but I was in specimen though.
You're not in specimen.
Whoa!
Wait, me and
Yeah, I
Poke are in
was.
specimen.
What?
You're definitely not there.
No.
No,
Yeah,
you're not.
could have sworn I just walked in specimen. I just went through the decontamination. I thought.
Oh, Sykkuno.
Jay
no,
with the
no.
trigger
What?
finger.
Damn, Jay.
Look, Peter. Look,
What?
I just want to say this, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Have I been wrong today?
You
know,
only
wait, who
guessed
does he
once,
think it is?
so.
No.
Wow, Jay, you're 1 for 1. Proud of you. buddy.
Actually true. Actually true.
90% sure I just walked
Wait,
in
wait.
specimen,
Actually true.
guys.
Peter, Leslie, are you guys together?
No,
No.
I'm by myself down at the water wheels.
Wait,
Just-
Peter,
I didn't
where are
like-
you? Peter, where are you?
I just did the reset on comms where I had to come back in 60 seconds.
Okay.
Wait, what makes you think I'm not in
so-
specimen?
because Poki's in specimen. Like I just
I
walked
Yep.
past.
came
Me
through
and Corpse are
decontamination. I'm
together.
in the hallway.
Nope.
No?
I wouldn't be able to see you, but she would.
Unless I'm remembering wrong, I'm 99% sure I was there.
I feel like if you were in, like, just
Do we
about
vote
to
on
go
that?
in, you wouldn't say that.
Do we
I have a
vote?
You
question
would
though.
say
I
have
you
a
were
question.
headed there.
More for voting for Sykkuno.
Well, I was
Why did-
technically inside the decontamination thing.
Oh,
Well,
my
because you said in
God.
specimen, it kind of sounded like you were trying to.
Why
claim
did we
that
kill
wasn't
John again?
true.
It's like-
Because he went against Toast. It's like a 50-50 for Toast and John.
All right, let me explain my ideology. Why did we not kill Peter there? Because everyone's probably together. If I kill him, they're gonna find out, and what are they gonna do? They're gonna kill me. We're gonna find the group. We're gonna stick with them. We're gonna create an alibi, and then we're gonna make a little venti. Okay, you know what I mean? I think this game we just make everyone kill everyone else.
It's Poki.
Huh?
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
I saw her and Leslie outside of admin area together, I think, at one point, and then they ran left. And then I checked vitals. I stood on there for a little bit. Lights went out. Checked vitals again. Leslie was dead. And then I ran out of admin to the left, past Poki, running right as reactor got called. And so I kept running left because I figured there would be a body in O2 area, and there was.
Corpse, I can't tell if you're lying or you're throwing because it's definitely not me. I was
Oh.
bottom left, I did water, and then I crossed you in office, and I
Okay.
thought you might have killed
There
someone.
is a
So I
body
went to
right
check
there.
vitals, and Leslie was dead.
There's a body right there. I mean, you were still running away from reactor.
Yes, but because I thought you had just killed someone and you called reactor.
Why did you think I killed someone if you never checked vitals?
I was headed to check vitals because the reactor was called, and you were running out of office. So I was like, oh, I think he killed someone and is running away from it. So I ran into office to check vitals, and I found Peter there.
Well, there's a body right above the trash thing near where you were.
That must be insanely recent. So either it's you or
It
someone
wasn't
just
because I
swooped
checked
in.
vitals and then ran over.
Peter, what do you think?
Okay, well, it's not me. It's not me.
Is that it's not
Actually, I
Poki?
don't
We
know
can
who
Because
it is.
we can skip
I-
if you guys
Yeah,
want.
Peter just
I
saw
have
me
been
run
I have been
in.
alone with Poki multiple times,
Okay.
and
True.
like in areas where she could have just killed me. And same with you, Jay.
Jay might be big braining this. I can't believe I trusted him on
I don't
that.
know because Jay
Sykkuno
Jay
kill.
also found me by
was trying to give him
admin and didn't kill
content.
me either.
If you guys want, Jay, did you skip?
Maybe we skip. I say we skip. I'm still unsure who it is. Jay?
Yeah. Interesting.
I thought we were voting corpse.
Well,
I mean, we might.
Who am I? We almost had it. We almost had it. That was so close, dude. That was so close.
I'm sorry for calling this. I just finished my last task. Does anyone else have any tasks?
I'm done.
I was in the middle of my last task right as it completed, unsure if
is?
it went off. It was upload. Corpse and Jay
In
were both with
comms?
me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Peter saw me
All right,
running around
Corpse,
doing
you
tasks.
have any more tasks?
no, I do not.
Well then, ghosties, speed it the fuck up.
I kind of want to sit at lights in case someone tries to make them go out or something. Lights in
you
case they call
could.
lights.
You could, yeah.
I don't
go
wanna-
ahead.
I don't
We'll
wanna go
stick
away from
three
everyone else.
together.
If he wants to sit at lights, I'll hit the lights. Where'd everyone go? I believe the only way to win this is a stat kill. Then we have to kill Peter. Can I hit the button again? Oh. 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 Macarena. Yay. I'm a deal gonna deal Macarena. I'm a deal gonna deal Macarena. I'm a deal gonna deal Macarena. Macarena. Yeah. I'm a deal gonna deal Macarena. I'm a deal. So what's the play? The play here is that we split 2-2, right? We split 2-2, but then if I kill them, that would screw me. But then I stay here. It's corpse.
It's Jay.
It's corpse.
Oh man. Okay.
Bro.
Okay, Peter, you were with him on the left, right? Peter.
Yes. Sorry, it was
You-
just me on the
you-
left.
Okay. Isn't it? And he was with you
Easiest
when we
dub of my
both
life.
split into twos, right? Like me and Poki went right reactor, you and him went left reactor, right? He splits off. You don't think that's a little weird?
Peter.
This is an easy call.
Peter.
Like
Peter. Don't be a
Yeah,
dumbass.
Jay.
That's all I'm gonna say.
this is an easy call.
Dumbass.
This is a really easy call. Like there was no reason for him to split off there, other than like you guys could have gone together to go check for a body.
I went back to look for a kill. And who do
Nah.
I see?
No. You.
And he
the
calls it
rules
immediately, bro.
Two go together.
Peter,
No.
don't be a dumbass, bro.
You're both equally sus. Fuck. Okay.
There's
I'm just
nothing
gonna.
sus about
I'm just gonna go
anything
with my
I'm
gut
saying.
here.
Oh man, Peter, I'm sorry. I tried to stay calm to deliver you the information. It wasn't enough.
Hey, Jay, do you have a YouTube channel?
Oh
my god.
God, Jay.
Well played,
Easiest
Jay.
dub of my
Peter,
life.
it was a 50-50.
That was
It
a
a
50-50, Peter.
50-50. Yeah, I like from your information, it was a 50-50.
But now I know Jay isn't new.
I knew Toast
When he
wasn't
called
lying,
that
guys.
button, I was
knew
like-
he wasn't lying.
If this was anyone else, I'd vote him off. But maybe he's new.
I'm so
No
sorry.
excuses.
Nah,
We're
it's
not
totally
gonna
like
let
me
you
a
do
Dumbass.
That was the
Man,
only play.
Jay was so good at convincing you. Like he
Oh.
would have had me there
I
too.
kinda
Peter,
just
don't be a
accept-
dumbass.
Oh.
I
Yeah,
accept
that
one.
wants to
one
be a
got me.
dumbass.
Like,
It's Corpse's
that
voice
one
is
was the
so
one that
rock
got it.
solid and
I
Oh my
became a
God.
dumbass. I'm sorry.
And you just-
I really didn't know. Like, fuck.
Yeah,
No,
Peter
it
had
was-
no info.
It was super fortunate that Peter strayed off from the
Was the one
pact.
who split off.
Yeah.
Jay, yeah.
That was super
That's a good
fortunate.
Yeah.
I'm a dumb
You know,
bitch.
it was an
I thought it
exciting
was
round,
toast
yeah.
and corpse. Fuck. Okay.
Ooh.
You're
That was
fine,
spies.
Peter.
That was
Yeah.
spies.
That was,
Oh, it's good.
there was
That was
no
a
way to
fun
know.
game.
Yeah,
That
there
was
was
good.
no way to know.
That was
stressing
really,
at the end.
really
Like,
well
I
played
really
by
enjoyed that
imposters.
game.
I feel like that this map is fucking impossible to 1v7 on.
Oh, really? Because I just did it.
Oh.
All right, well that means you had newbie
Alright, Pokey, if you
advantage.
get imposter, kill him. Kill him first.
I will.
Look, you took advantage of a dumbass, Jay.
Bye.